What's up, guys? It's Glove Double R. We're back with another video. Today we're gonna install some gold decal stickers onto my wheels. So the stickers are actually from Finest Folia. So here's what they look like. So we're gonna go through that whole process today. So I really don't even know how these are gonna turn out. I haven't witnessed them personally on anyone's bike or anything. So I just kind of ordered them in hopes that it's gonna look good. So, you know, hopefully it turns out good. Let's go.
And all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true.
I feel like I wrote this from a personal place or something.
And all
I don't know.
wanna be is true.
Let's make it count though, for real. Yeah.
And all I wanna be
Swear
is
my
true.
dreams are taking long. I was pissed but never stalled. Made trip, I never fall. Stay true to who you are. Can't win without a war. God came and healed these scars. Late nights with all my dogs. I can see it from afar. See, it's days like these, I think that pain made me strong. Had purpose all along, whether right or whether wrong. When my doggy stuck inside a jam, I'm the one they call. Felt good to talk the sauce. Before you walk, gotta crawl. Told him question God long enough, that man bound to respond. Did the same thing with Paul. Better answer when he called. We ain't seeing eye to eye. Still paid a visit to his mom.
I still care regardless
I
of
still
whatever
paid
it
a
is.
visit. Look, almost gave up on my dreams cause I felt I wouldn't pop. And that burden weighed a lot. Lost a lot but gained a lot. Thank God I stayed true. A big stage.
So first things first, you're gonna need your bottle of alcohol so we can clean the actual wheels. So get you a little rag or something simple and clean your whole wheel. And this would be a lot easier if I had some race stands, but unfortunately I don't. So we're gonna have to just go with the flow on that. There's a lot of pollen and stuff on my wheels right now. Alright, so next, we're gonna have to cut we're gonna have to cut each of these strips out. So alrighty, so we got our strips right here, and I just went over each one to kind of get it as close to the edge as possible. So now what we're gonna do is take some tape, cut a little piece off just like this, and we're gonna tape each one to the location where we want it. There's sticky stuff on the back. I haven't taken that off yet, so let's see how that looks. Looks all right. All right, so this next step is optional. I have some primer here for just extra adhesive that I'm gonna, once I remove the back piece, once I remove the little sticky part, I'm gonna just go over the back of each one with some primer just to give it extra stick, just in case. So I'll leave a link to this primer as well. So we're about to do the first strip. So I'm gonna peel the back sticky thing off. I'm gonna dip my paintbrush in primer and I'm gonna go over the back of this, and then we're gonna stick it on. Alright, so we did our first one, and now we're gonna take the blow dryers. Don't judge me, I don't have a heat gun or anything, so we're gonna take a blow dryer and kind of heating up the adhesive. All right, y'all, so we're halfway done. I'm gonna just give you guys a little bit of a comparison because I didn't do the other side yet. So now let's look at the other side without. So yeah, we're gonna finish this up and keep it going. All right, guys, we're all finished doing both sides of the stickers. There is one last thing that we got to do though. I already did it on this side, but I have to do it on the other side. So these stickers actually come with another layer over top of it, so you just have to, once you apply it on the wheel, you just have to peel this additional layer off and then you'll get the full sticker. So I'll show you guys that. All right, so as you can see, the second layer you just peel off. You got to be very careful though, so you don't actually pull the whole thing off. I'm using these scissors just as a help. There we go. So just do that to all of them. Make sure it doesn't pull the, see, like right there. Gotta be very gentle. And it's also good to give it more heat after you peel that off. Alright, and I just gotta do this last one. Alright, y'all, we officially finished. Tell me what you guys think in the comments, because I'm still not too sure how I like it. It's definitely better with the stickers on than without, but I still feel like it could be a little bit better if the gold was brighter. So that's the last official mod for now. So tell me what you guys think. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, leave a comment, tell me what you guys think, or even drop a comment and tell me what else I should put on if I do another mod.